My name's Charlie, I'm from Broughgammon Farm. We specialise in kid goat, roast veal and seasonal wild game. We basically want to take forgotten and unused resources that are currently considered as byproducts in our farming system and put them back into the food chain, creating a more holistic system. We're taking part in the Open Farm Weekend this weekend to get people, public, onto the farm to see where their food comes from. We are farmers and we farm nature. Without it, we wouldn't have a farm. As they say, we've got 100 years left in our soils. The soil is the source of all of our nutrition for our animals. If we don't look after that, we won't have a farm. For us, what we're doing here, we've implemented some species-rich grassland, and we're planting lots of trees across the farm to make us more sheltered. We're up on the north coast, so we get a lot of wind pollution up here, and so we're trying to sort of create a more sort of ambient atmosphere at home. Yeah, it's really important that we go to Westminster with a clear, concise message and get what we need. This is a great opportunity for us to change policy for that.